Hi guys! Welcome back or welcome to my channel para sa mga bagong manonood natin. Bago ang lahat, I wanna greet you a happy Valentine's Day para sa mga lovers dyan at kahit sa mga single dyan na maraming nagmamahal syempre. Yan. I'm gonna swatch some red lippies for your Valentine's date later or ngayon, mga ideas lang para sa lips nyo for today's occasion. So, ayan. Itong mga lippies natin, guys, is from different brands na meron ako, ha. Baka magustuhan nyo lang na mga reds natin dahil since it's Valentine's Day, usong-uso na naman ang red lippies, syempre. So, ayan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng ideas of some red lippy product that I have. Actually, the others are not lipstick, the others are lip tint, basta red na pwedeng ilagay sa labi. Ayan, isa-swatch natin sila. So, I have here, yun ba to? I have here 8 lipsticks and lip tints with red colors. These are from different brands nga. So, I'll start it with the lip tints. Start tayo sa lip tints para madaling mabura and hindi tayo mahirapan sa pagsaswatch. Wala na akong masyadong daldal ngayon. So, without further ado, let's start. So, I'll start with the colorette. This is my favorite. Actually, mauubos na siya. This is in the shade Cocoa. Kung gusto mo ng matapang na red, this one is for you. Matapang na red na you can wear daily. And madali siyang ayusin because it is lip tint and oil base. So, ayan. And wala naman sa claims nito guys na long wearing siya. Ayan. So, let's swatch this. This is Colorette Cosmetics, the shade Cocoa. Done with our first product. Nagalilan natin yung TV. Let's swatch another. The next product is from Squad Cosmetics. They're 2 multi-purpose mousse lip cream. So, I'm gonna be swatching the apple on my lips. So, the shade is parang red orangey. And kung gusto mo ng warm red, this one is for you. So, this is in the shade apple. And the next shade is also from Squad. This is in the shade Mary. Also a multi-purpose mousse lip cream Lippie. So this is in the shade Mary. If you want a Christmas red, yung buhay na red, this one is for you. And these lip products are lightweight and if gusto mo nag-iwan ng tint sa lips mo, ganun siya guys. So, this one is in the shade Mary if you want a Christmas red shade. So, the next product is from Vids Cosmetics. They're CoverGirl lip and cheek tint. Kasama na natin to because it's red. This is in the shade Van. Actually, mauubos na siya guys. Oh, konti na lang siya. Alam ko nakikita niyo. Madalas ko din ginagamit. Ayan guys, kung gusto niyo ng gandang lip tint lang, this is perfect for you if you want to achieve a gradient. Parang natural lips lang. So, ayan. This is Vids Cosmetics BT21 collection and this is in the shade Van. So, ayan siya. So, the next product is also from Vids Cosmetics, which is from their Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Phenomenal Velvet Collection pala. So, ito yung Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick nila. So, may kasama tong lip liner pag binili nyo, guys. Yan. Kung gusto nyo ng outstanding red, yung mala Taylor Swift red, yan. Ito siya. What I love about this product is sobrang sarap niyang gamitin sa lips. Hindi siya drying. Hindi siya nakakairita. Hindi siya mabigat. Hindi siya drying. Basta sobrang sarap niya gamitin sa lips because it's velvet nga. Sobrang creamy and parang moisturizing siya sa lips. So, ayan. This is from Phenomenal Velvet Collection. This is in the shade Taravu. From Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Collection, this is in the shade Zalabu. And if you want a bloody red, this one is for you. So the next product is Made Easy from Sensational Maybelline Lip Tint. It's matte. This red is red na pwede nyo ring suotin araw-araw and hindi siya intimidating. Yung lip tint at saka yung super stay ni Maybelline, guys, ang hirap-hirap ng tanggalin. Buti na lang, I have this super stay eraser. Kaya hindi ako mahirapang tanggalin sila, guys. As in, ang hirap-hirap niyang tanggalin kapag suot-suot mo. So the next is also from Maybelline. Kung gusto mo nang nagmamatapang na red, this is for you. Parang maroon na siya actually. And if you want a long-lasting lipstick, aba, wala namang tatalo talaga kay Maybelline. This is in the shade Voyager from the Maybelline Superstay Collection. And let's move on with our last product. So the last product that I'll be swatching is the Colored Velvet Tint. Yan. Kaya ako siya inuli, guys, kasi nag-iwan talaga ito ng tint and ang hirap niyang tanggalin. My gosh. Trinay ko pa siya lang once kasi ayoko pa talaga sana siyang buksan. Kaso, hindi ko talaga kayang tiisin. Natatempt ko. So, inopen ko siya. So, ayun na nga. This is in the shade Confetti from Colored Velvet Tint Collection. So, yan. So, if you want a true red, this shade is for you. And this is in the shade Confetti from Colored Velvet Tint. So, ayan guys, that's all for my quick swatch of my red Lippie collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching and sana nakatulong sa inyo sa pagpili ng red lipsticks na gusto nyo. Kung anong klaseng red ba yan or ano ngayong Valentine's Day. Guys, if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside para magiging updated kayo sa aking mga susunod na videos. And ayan guys, thank you for watching and see ya!